Hey, what's going on everybody? Jackson here, welcome back to the channel. And if you can see, I got a FedEx package in the mail today. And I think you can already guess what this is. It is the Amex Platinum card. I'm pretty excited to get this. I got a 75,000 MR point bonus for signing up for this card. So I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So as soon as you take it out of this package here, you can see we get this cool looking package. I did cover up my address just because I don't want you knowing where I live. We can go and take this off. I love the presentation that Amex gives on these packages. I think it looks really cool. So let's see if the camera will focus on this. You can see there's a little Amex. I think that looks really neat. And so right when we open it up, you can see right there, they just kind of put it front and center. There's the card. So we're gonna take this out and set it aside. And now just go through a little bit of the paperwork. Your key to endless exploration. What is this one for? Get the most out of your card. So you do get with this card, you get the Uber rides, you get the Saks Fifth premium credit, which I've already used. You get priority pass, you get gold status at Marriott and Hilton. You do get global entry and TSA PreCheck, which is unavailable right now due to COVID. $200 airline fee credit, which sucks. And then all the other platinum card with return protection, things like that. You do get 5x MR points back on flights purchased directly with the airline. And you do get 5x back with hotels prepaid on Amex, which is kind of a dumb, not very useful in my opinion. Centurion lounges, I'm super excited to try one of these next time I fly when they are open. They're not open right now, but they will be momentarily. $200 airline credit, this is the absolute weakest part of the card. It's pretty dumb. There used to be loopholes you could redeem these things for gift cards, but alas, the Amex has removed those. And this is the credit that I'm really going to take advantage of. The Uber rides, I don't Uber a whole lot, especially now, but it does allow you to use your Uber Eats. Uber Eats just did acquire Postmates, which includes now Chipotle. And I think that's really handy. Uber Eats quite often always does have promotions and discounts, so I'll definitely be taking advantage of this. You get $15 a month, except $20 in December. So you just download the Uber app, sign in with your Platinum card, and you're good to go. You do get Uber VIP, which I don't really think is anything that useful. Share the love. Yeah, sure, whatever that is. Also, a little bonus, in case I didn't mention, is that Amex does have a streaming credit available on the Platinum, so you do get $20 a month for streaming services and $20 a month for telephone. There's the terms if you feel like reading that. Pretty useful, since now the airline credit is officially nerfed and no one's traveling. So here is the Platinum card, and wow, it just looks spectacular. You can see the way it just kind of glistens in the light. I think it's really cool. Here's the back of it. I did cover up everything just because I don't want you guys knowing my credit card info, but it really does look nice. This does now feature the contactless payment, so you can just tap it on there to pay, which I think is really cool. Yeah guys, that's about it. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Amex Platinum card.